What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we've got a lucky little surprise. I've come down to JDMHQ in Carrum Downs in Melbourne, and they have something a little bit special for us to feature on the channel today. Now, if I didn't have a Supra, this is exactly what I would have. I would have one of these because I love these, and I actually considered buying this as my daily, but I knew that if I bought this, I would just spend a lot of money on it and make it a four-door Supra. So without further ado, let's jump in and let me show you what we've got. Here it is, guys, a 2000 model JZS161 Aristo. Now this is actually the Vertex edition, and this thing is tidy. I love this thing. Now it's fairly stock. It's got an aftermarket front lip, aftermarket 18-inch Exil rims, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, and it sits on a set of Cusco coilovers. Apart from that, the exterior is stock. Oh, sorry, there is one more upgrade, and that's these headlights. They do need a buff and a polish, but that's fine. So you've got Aristo, and then over here, Vertex. I love little features like that. It's really nice to see. This thing's mint. Like I said in the intro, if I didn't have the Supra, this is what I would be driving around. I love these. Just the styling of it, the class, and then what you'll see later is that crazy engine. Oh man, these excite me, they really do. And here's the interior, guys. Premium package, so it's full black leather with the grey tubing around the outside of the seats. You've got your sunroof up there. You've got the automatic steering wheel that motorizes out to your setting. I love these things, but let's go for the most fun bit. I don't want to spend too much time on this interior. I want to jump straight into the engine bay because that's my favorite part, so let's go. And here we have the engine, guys. VVTi2J twin turbo. Oh, something's gonna get my blood pumping, it's this. I froth these engines. There's just nothing better. Sorry, there's nothing better. Change my mind in the comments. Tell me what's better than a 2J. Nah, look, I know there's a lot of good engines out there, but these are incredible. I love them. Love everything about them. Love the sound, love the power. They're so good. So this one comes with, obviously this, you can see there, those Cusco coilovers. Beautiful blue. And this also has an aftermarket exhaust. I'll give you a sound clip, obviously. Nothing crazy, but it does sound nice, especially for a street sedan. Really, really tidy. Nice sound, nice power, and oh, the new owner of this is gonna be a happy, happy person. All right, so let's throw some cinematics in here and just enjoy this beautiful car. Guys, thanks for joining me for this Aristo feature. If you like what you've seen, smash like, smash subscribe, and share it around. Comment down below with what you want to see next. If there's a certain car you want to see, a certain model, let me know. I'll try and find it, I'll try and do a feature. And apart from that, well, I guess I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.